teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Kenny.
Annie. Very good. Annie, how old are you?
I'm fine.
5. That's very good. Tell me please, are you ready for the test?
Good.
Yes. Hey, babe. Let's go. Boom. What animal is it?
It's a pig.
It's a pig. What animal is it?
It's a coat.
Good. Nice. What animal is it?
It's a cat.
Cat. What animal is it?
It's a cow.
Cow. What animal is it?
It's a rabbit.
Rabbit. What animal is it?
It's a dog.
It's a dog. What animal is it?
It's a rooster.
Rooster. What animal is it?
It's a
Duck.
duck.
What about this?
It's a
Horse.
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 Ba ba bam. Boom. 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 Okay, let's go. Let's look at some words. Yeah.
It's a yellow.
Yellow.
It's a turtle.
Yo-yo.
It's a zebra. It's
It's an egg.
an egg.
Okay.
It's a house.
House. Okay.
It's a moon.
Moon. Okay.
It's a key.
Queen. Okay.
It's a lion.
A lion. Boom, boom, boom. I also have some stickers to play for. We need to boom on number 3, okay? Right, 1, 2, 2, one little 3 yet. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, good job. Goodbye, Annie.
Goodbye, teacher.
Right.